Good afternoon, hello, welcome everyone. Hello, my name is Grace from Gracie's Diamond World. If this is your first time stumbling on my channel, I would love for you to stumble, stay and subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down there. Next to that is a notification bell which will go ding each and every single time I upload a new video. If you're coming back, hey, a thumbs up and welcome back. I have friend mail here to unbox and share with you from one of my beautiful subscribers, such a lovely supporter of the channel. Before we get to what's in the box though, let's throw some love out to the Patreons of the channel, those that have bought me a coffee on the Buy Me a Coffee program. Thank you so much. Let's throw some love out to these peeps. And guys, you come with me, come on. I'm gonna see you on the flip side. Come along. Hi you guys, welcome back. Well, I have this absolutely, well, to me it's huge box that has been so generously sent to me by one of my beautiful subscribers. She's such a wonderful support to the channel. Her name's Femstar1968. She often drops in on my lives and comments on my videos. So thank you. I didn't ask whether or not I could say your name on here, so I'm going to keep it as your YouTube name, Femstar, so thank you so much. There's been a lot of messages going backwards and forwards about the tracking to this box, so let's not waste any more time and see what's in here. I hope that you have all been keeping very well. Goodness me, okay. There's fragile written all over it. So, there's a note. Let me see if I'll read it off here. Okay, hang on one second. All right, so let me just read bits and pieces here. So, hey Grace, hope you enjoy your gifts. Thanks so much for listening to me rant over the last few weeks. It has really been a rough time up here. Oh, sweetheart, you're most welcome. It's not you ranting at all, you know. It's great that I'm so happy that you felt comfortable to reach out. The package wrapped underneath the funnels is yours. The one in the tissue paper came from WA, custom made. All in there now is a naked cowboy painting. Hope you enjoy the adult bevy. Look forward to your live crosses every week. I was talking about having a weekend retreat when everybody's over. If I can help in any way, please let me know. I do recommend the yep, beautiful. Recommendation of where to have a retreat. Love and keep us all smiling, and best to the offspring. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, and there is a hint towards something perhaps being there for a giveaway. So let's have a look. Oh, wow. Oh, goodness me. Oh, look, little funnels. You know that these little things go really well in for, how teeny, don't look how cute they are. Thank you. Oh, and they match my nails, Femstar, look at that. Love it. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, what? Oh, wow, okay. Thank you. By supporting a small business, you help support a dream of a family and so much more. Your purchase is truly appreciated. Charlie Creations. I absolutely love supporting small businesses. Charlie, is it Charlie? Yeah, Charlie Creations. What's in here? It feels very fragile. Ooh, feels like a mug. Well, it's arrived, hopefully, before I speak too soon, Femstar, it has arrived in one piece, I think. So this is a home business with a mug. What? Is it a homemade mug or? Oh, no way! Check it out! Gracie, bling, bling. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, Femstar, you are a gem. Gracie bling bling. If you're new to my channel and you don't know what this is in reference to, this is when I'm talking about enhancing my paintings and I want to sort of bling up my own paintings. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Thank you so much to Charlie Creations as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll get the obvious one out here. Now, Femstar was saying that there is some locally made wine from where she is. So, Mudgy Pipe Clay White. Now, it's a smooth, luscious, fortified wine with nectareous overtones, wicked with lime juice, tonic and ice, dressed with mint. There you go. Wow, I will definitely, I might have a shot maybe during the live if this video goes up before Sunday, which is when I do my lives. I'll have a shot with you and a salute and Bob's your uncle and down the hatch with you, Femstar. How's that sound? Thank you so much. Oh, wow. That's going to take pride and place up there. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. What's in here? Oh, Charlie Creations. Here we go. Custom home decor, clothing, vinyl stickers and more. There's all my Aussie mates. I'm assuming in Australia, maybe. But if you wanted to take a screenshot of that, and you can follow Charlie Creations. And what's here? Care instructions, not dishwasher safe, not microwave safe, hand wash only, do not soak. Okay, I'm thinking that's for the cup. That might be for the cup, given that it's in the shape of a cup. That's very, very smart. That's very, very smart. I like that. So let's get, wow. Gosh, you've packed this box. Okay, just don't want to leave anything behind. Let's pop this off the table. Oh, wow. Sometimes I don't know what's what here, but let's have a look. Oh, oh my goodness. It's a wheelie bin. Keep city tidy. Is this been, I don't know if that's diamond painted or, hang on, hang on a second. No, okay. Is that to pull it along? I don't know. I'm trying to work out what this flippy flap thing part is. Not sure. Maybe is it just to pull it along? All right. Let's pop that there. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. Oh, so this one says keep city tidy. This one says, if you can see, leaves the recycling symbol. Okay, these I would imagine are going to be used as trash bins, as you know, when you're doing your diamond paintings. How cutesy are they? So, and this looks to be the same. And this one is recyclables. So one in each of the three. How awesome is that? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at them. They're so super cute. Ah. Thank you, Femstar, for these. Thank you so much. Yes, I have seen these. I have indeed. The funny story with these is that you may or may not see these on an unboxing soon that has been in the vault and needs to have been loaded up a while ago. But these are diamond painting trays. Yay. Oh, here's, see, look, I'm not lying. These ones all nest together. I don't have the full set of 3, so that is awesome. Now, let me just go back. The extras from yours, the spare funnels and rest of trays, please include in a giveaway. Okay, so that's what I thought I understood. These, Femstar, that is so beautiful of you. These, Femstar has given to include in a giveaway. So, hopefully, and they're double trays, guys, if you haven't seen them before. Look at that. Look at that. So, stay tuned on Sunday's live. Let's do a giveaway with these, shall we? Shall we? I think that would be awesome. And I go live on Sunday at 10:30 Australian Eastern Standard Time. That's where you will catch me there. So these are super cute. These are so super cute. Look at these little bins. Oh, I feel so totally blessed. And you know, and she's also said in her note, might have to send you some produce from the Mudgee region. Besides the liquid gold in this bottle, it tastes like a cross between white chocolate and nectarines with a kick, of course. Oh, wow. So this tastes like a bit of white chocolate and nectarine. Mwah, yum. Wow, we're going to have a splosh of that, I think, on Sunday, just in you know, commemoration, I think. What do you think, guys? And this, I think, is absolutely so thoughtful, so very thoughtful. Gracie, bling, bling. You are so special to me. Thank you so much, Femstar. I'm really, really blessed, really blessed to have such beautiful subscribers who just think to put such little thoughtful gifts together, and even not even all for me, but also to give away on the channel. So I will be doing a draw for this on my live on Sunday. I will be having a drink to salute. And I am definitely going to be setting these up, and I'll put a little sticker on here for the paintings that they're going to be assigned for as my trash bins. That's going to be absolutely awesome. And of course, we've got some little funnels as well. So, there we go. And there's the Charlie Creations. So Charlie Creations, thank you so much for creating that for me. I really do appreciate it. And I do know Femstar was telling me that she was waiting for this to arrive at her house in order for her to send it to me. So thank you. I'm very humbled. Let me put them back so that you can all have a CC. I'm tempted to crack open into that one tonight, being that it's a Friday night, but I'm working tomorrow, so that's not going to happen. Well, guys, thank you so much. It's a short video, but one of much gratitude, and I just wanted to share with you some lovely friend mail that I received. Wherever you are in your part of the world, I do hope that you are looking after yourselves, that you're looking after each other, have each other's backs. It is so super important. Okay, have an amazing rest of your day, fantastic rest of your week. And until I see you next time, I'm going to send you all much love, and ciao for now.